we were talking about that car loan deduction. It is the good side of it is that it is an additional deduction regardless of whether you itemize or not. You don't need to itemize your deductions. You can take the standard deduction and then get this deduction for the car loan interest on top of it. So that's kind of cool. The negative side is that it is only available if your income is below certain thresholds, $100,000 if you're single, $200,000 if it's a married return. If you're above that, it starts to phase out pretty quickly. $200 of that deduction phases out for every $1,000 you're above those limits. So it phases out pretty quickly. The other part of it is you got to buy the right car. It's got to be a passenger vehicle less than 14,000 pounds. It's got to be brand new, and it's got to be final assembly in the U.S. Only available for 25 through 28 tax years. And then the practicality of it. As we were saying before the break, in order to maximize the deduction, which is a $10,000 deduction, you'd need to borrow $125,000. You'd need to, borrow $125,000 at 8% in order to maximize out the deduction. Let me be very clear: there ain't no deduction worth borrowing $125,000 at 8%. So perhaps make sure you make a good decision on that if you're looking to try and maximize that deduction. I might hold off on maximizing that one. That might not make the best amount of sense to borrow $120,000 for a car. Perhaps there might be something a little bit more economical on that, particularly if you really do qualify for it and you're making less than $200,000 as a married couple. Yeah, you probably shouldn't have that kind of car in the first place. But anyway, I digress. Next up, no tax on tips. So this one, okay, a lot of conversation about. Again, this one good for tax years 25, 26, 27, 28. It applies to you regardless of whether you are on a W-2 or whether you are 1099, whether you're getting sort of self-employment income. It requires you, of course, to report all your tips, which you kind of should be doing anyway, but probably most people don't. Those tips are still subject to FICA taxes, Medicare, Social Security tax. That alone is almost 8%, 7.65% specifically. If you provide specialized services, and this would include even like a technician or a plumber or something like that,